What's good, guys? Creebobo here, and today I have a really fun deck. This is my Mermail Atlantean Synchro combo deck. So the reason I made this video is because I made a really cool Gen X Undyne combo. So Gen X Undyne is like a one card in the same combo, and I'll show you guys that. I'm gonna have some fun with that card actually. I'm gonna make some cool combos for you guys, but this is just like the first one that I thought of. I'm gonna have a couple more off the Road Deck Friday, and I guess I'll show you one of my combos with that. But for this profile, so this is kind of an interesting deck. There's a lot of one-card starters, some really amazing plays it can make. So let's just get into it, actually. The best one-card starter is Diva. This gets you into your Neptibus, allows you to do basically everything you want. It's the full combo, and then some. It actually allows you to make an insane board, which is nice about like Mullen and Lapis Dragon, especially, just allow that to have a little edge on some of the other synchro-based decks. So 3 Undyne, this is full combo, as I was talking about before. I'll show you guys the combo after I finish the profile. 3 Netbis, also this is full combo. You send Dragoons at Lapis Dragon, super powerful. 3 Teus, Teus Dragoons is insane. It means it's just like a free extender. It can pitch anything. Really good. 3 Dragoons, because it's for Neptibus, and you can add any Sea Serpent. 2 Infantry, because it gets to pop, and it can actually normal summon a Diva. 1 Rosnik for the combo. It's also just a water. 3 Minstrel. So this card is really cool. So being able to like discard it and look at their hand to take out any hand trap is just super powerful. Like, just pitching like a water, let's just say, oh, you drew a test or something and you have no need for it. Let's just see what their hand is. Get rid of that Nibiru, let's full combo you. It's just insane. 1 Pike for the test target, 1 Lapis, because the tuner, and it's an extender that you can search up Dragoons. 1 Mulan to rip their cards. 2 Lion for the combo, same with Despot. 3 Gamma, because I think it's one of the better hand traps right now. 2 Controller, 1 Dark Magician, and 1 Raised by Dragon. So I'm like 5 Drone Monsters, but these two kind of aren't bricks, as you'll see in a little bit. 1 Red Ice Fusion, 3 Call by the Grave, and 1 for 1. So for the extra deck, Dragoon, this card is just insane, and the Verte for it, they're both just insanely powerful. 1 Coral Dragon, 1 Gardener's Maiden, 1 Herald, 1 Martial Metal Archer, 1 Formula Synchron, 1 Ravenous Crocoroconon, 1 Vermilion, 1 True King of All Calamities, 2 Hockey 5-Rex, 1 Link Spider for the combo, 1 Link Cross, and 1 Auroradon. That's it for the extra deck. For the side deck, 3 Nibiru, 3 Dark Ruler, 3 Forbidden Droplet, 3 Lightning Storm, and 3 Impermanence. So the issue with this deck is that it just completely destroys you going first. Like, there's almost no chance to win if this deck goes first. But if it goes second, it has a little bit of trouble. So you want cards like Lightning Storm and Dark Ruler just to be able to clear boards. So let's just go into solo mode so I can show you the combo. Okay, so this hand would be really good. But let's just say I draw, I don't know, Gamma, Undyne, Gamma, Driver. Okay, so this is just Undyne. So you trigger Undyne, add the controller by sending Rosenix, trigger Rosenix. So what this is, it banishes from the graveyard to summon a machine level 1 token that you link into Link Spider. You trigger Link Spider to summon controller, which means it's like a free rank 3 if you guys want to do that. Or you can go into Hulk here with these two, trigger the Hulk, summon the summoning the Despot. Then you link 1 into Link Cross, effective Link Cross. Get your 2 tokens, and then you go into Formula. Get your draw. Okay, Dragoons. Okay, I'm sorry, you don't use this. You go Synchro for 3 here into Martial Metal Marcher, and then you use the effect. summoning controller. It actually doesn't really matter what you summon, but you link it into Hulk, then you link these two into Auroradon. Auroradon gets your 3 tokens, and then use the effect of this. Trigger for 2. It doesn't really matter. So usually, actually, I would keep that on field and distribute Undyne, but I'm going to show you the combo. If you have one more extender, then you can also have a really cool play with this. And then you go, and then you just do the normal combo where you end on Vermilion, Ravenous, draw 2. I think everybody's seen this. Banish the Garden Rose. Yeah, where yeah. I think everybody's seen this like a million times by now. Especially if you see my other videos, you know this combo. You go into Garden Rose, then with the Garden Rose and the Despot, you go into Coral, and then Coral and the other token, you go into these, and so you have VFD. So that's like the combo, and usually so Undyne ends on. I'd keep the Auroradon field usually, but this is the combo if I have one more extender. So let's just say it's back to the board where I have Marcher, and I have Marcher in this, and this isn't great. So it's this board right now. So let's just say, I don't know, I have Teos. I have Teos, right? So I use Teos. Any other extender with this means I make Anaconda. And if I make Anaconda, then I do the exact same board. I do the exact same VFD board. So I end on VFD, draw 2 more cards. I draw 2 more cards. So I end on VFD, draw 2 more cards, plus I end on a Dragoon. And VFD Dragoon is absolutely insane. Super powerful. So that's just like that's like a really cool combo that I want to show you guys. I had a lot of fun with this deck. Yeah, let's do some test hands for you. Yeah, so this is actually full combo as well, because I just go pitch this and then normal summon O-Lion. That's what I really like about this deck. It's just like it never bricks. Like look at this, full combo. This is full combo. Here, actually, let me show you what. Okay, so let's just say I open this hand. Because I want to show you what the full combo with the extender looks like. This is what like a pretty decent hand. I'm not gonna say average because it's a bit better than average. Hand looks like, because you're able to have the extender. So you trigger the Link Spider. Like being able with Dragoon, just being able to just have 2 monsters, just depending on such a powerful monster, I think will allow decks like this to have a little an extra push to them that could make their end boards just really good. Like DFD on its own is pretty powerful, but it's also like playable. Like, you're able to play through that, but you're not able to play through this. So like here, the link into Hulk. Okay, now I go okay 1 for 1. Let's just say I don't use the effect, right? I could actually let's just say I do. I can go to add, which is like cool because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I technically here I could just like drop a Moon Glacia, but that's just I'm not. Well, actually, yeah. Let's just say I drop Moon Glacia. I want to show you. Actually, no. For the point of this, I'll just show you what it looks like. But for this specific hand, I could drop Moon Glacia, which is just super cool. So you get your 3 tokens here for the Auroradon. Special summon the Despot, triggering the Auroradon to get the O-Lion. Then you sync into your Garden Rose, get your token, and then you go sync into Coral. Now the only issue here would be if I draw my Red Eyes Fusion, That would kind of suck, but yeah, I don't. So now I'm able to go, okay, these two, and then I sync again, go into Vermilion, and now I have my VFD. And now and then I go pay 2,000, pay the 2,000 life for sorry, that's 200. Pay the 2,000 life for Anaconda. Sending this. Get my Dragoon. So now I have like 7 cards in hand plus a Dragoon and a VFD. So that's the combo for you guys. I thought it was really cool. I really like this deck. I'm a big fan of it. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. This is Crib Overlord signing out. Peace.